Hey everyone, it's Angelo Mirville, your Georgia Realtor, and I'm here to bring you new construction property tour from the Magnolia subdivision in the beautiful town of Lula, Georgia. This gorgeous home is exclusively listed by Chad Buffington with the Buffington Real Estate Group. The Washington plan consists of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is custom built to your desire. If you like this home and would like more information, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is below. Now, let's take a look inside. If you like this home or any home in Atlanta, Georgia, feel free to contact me with the information below. And if you are new to my channel, take a moment now to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.